Hey y'all, welcome to the video. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, and comment on this video. Today we're going to be going over a very interesting topic. And in order to stay notified and updated by the videos and release dates, make sure y'all add this playlist to you all's library. And also make sure y'all like and subscribe. And make sure also if you are new and this your first time seeing one of my videos, make sure y'all follow behind, especially if you're new to Python. So yeah, that's basically it. We're gonna be talking about equal signs. So we learned how to create and store variables, but how do we compare them? Like checking if a user entered pin matches their saved pin. So like checking if a user entered what a user entered is the same as what they saved. That's basically what they're saying. So to compare if two numbers are the same, we use the operator, the equality operator, which is two equal signs put together. And this checks if the two are same. When comparing, there are only two results, true or false. And of course, we went over before that true or false is a Boolean. Yeah, Boolean. Alright, so when we compare the same numbers with the equality operator, the results is true. So we put print 10, it's the same. That's basically what it's saying. The two equal signs are saying that you can fill this in, like what I'm about to say. Print, what we want to print? We want to print 10 is the same as 10. And it'll give us either if it's true or false. So we're going to print out true or we're going to print out false. But you're going to print out true because they are the same. Alright, so next it says, when we compare the different numbers with the equality operator, the results is false. Like here with the 9 to 10 comparison. So printing 9 and 10, it's saying that 9 is the same thing as 10, but it's not. So that's why it's going to give us false. Alright, so what do we use to check if two numbers are equal? At this time, you may pause your video. Alright, so the first option has a 1 equal sign, and the second one has 2 equal signs. Alright, so the second one will be the answer, because we haven't really went over that one actually define a variable. So yeah, we'll use the second one, that is the operator that check if two numbers are equal. So what does this code display in the console? At this time, you may pause the video. If you all got false, then you did it right. I know a lot of people might ask, hey, why you got false? Why you ain't get true? Hey, because, let me go and break this down. 10 and 11 are not the same numbers. And right here, it's checking for the same numbers. And since those two are not the same number, it's false. That's why. Alright, so when might we need to check if two numbers are equal? You may pause the video this time. So basically right here, the first option says when checking if a variable is exactly to 10. Second one says when checking if a variable is above 50. So we have not talked about being above or below. So we know it's the first one. So what does this code display in the console? So right here, the first one say print. Print just saying like I want to see this. So it's saying I want to see 5 plus 13. 5 plus 13 is just gonna be 18. But the second one is gonna say, hey, I want to see if 5 is the same thing as 13. And it asking us what will it display. Okay, you can stop the video this time. Alright, so the answer is gonna be, we know the first one is gonna be 18. We know the second one is false. Because 2 equal signs is gonna give back true or false. So we know it's not gonna be a number. And plus it's no reasoning for the second one. So check if the value of voters is equal to 11. So we know the votes is equal to 10. So we want to check if votes is the same thing as 11, which is going to be false. So add the equality operator. Print 999 blank 10. So we know the equality operator is not 1 equal sign is 2. The 1 equal sign, again, it defines a variable. Mainly, yeah, you can, but it's an operator. Operator is going to be 2 equal signs, which is false. Alright, so display false in the console. Of course, if you all feel like I'm going too fast, you can put that inside the comments, or if you feel like you need a question answered, put that inside the comment if I can get to it. Alright, so display false in the console. So we want false to display. We know the first option has 13. And basically print is just saying that, hey, I want to see something. Okay, what I want to see? I want to see if 10 is the same thing as 13. Is 10 the same thing as 13? No. So that means false. So yeah, that would be the right answer. If we put 10, it would be true. Yeah, it'd be false. So check if these numbers are the same by coding the equal operator. So we can check these two numbers are the same by putting ignore that right there. So yeah, that's all for the lesson for today. It was quick, simple. Make sure y'all check out this app. This app very much help you on your journey. You can get ahead, and then you can get at probably a slower pace that you feel like it's going too fast. Hey, it's up to you. And then you get to earn points and rank up inside the leaderboard. Also, as you can see right here with other people around the world. And then also you can also make sure that you all see and get the pro version for you all can get the unlimited hearts, and for you won't all have to wait an hour for a heart to be restored. You can actually speed that up. Alright, so yeah, thank you for joining the video. Make sure you all like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you. Have a great day.